Here at Greenfield Engineering, we offer a comprehensive selection of the welding processes to cover a vast range of disciplines. Our aim is to offer our clients a fully managed, integrated service for any manufacturing project. MIG welding, Tig welding, spot welding, metal dressing. Our multi-skilled fabrication team are trained in-house to weld ferrous and non-ferrous materials in conjunction to our ISO 9001-2015 accreditation. With a complete, professional one-step solution from design through to manufacturing production and final assembly. With this in mind, fabrication and welding is a large part of our manufacturing capability, with 10 dedicated welding bays across both sites. For professional engineering support, please visit our website greenfieldengineering.co.uk.